Hey, my name is Victoria, and today I'm sharing my cluttered closet with you. Yep, I have a cluttered closet. So, this is a multi purpose storage closet, and I want to remind you that it is possible to keep multiple types of items in one space and still keep it organized. But it does take some planning. So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing tips and tricks on how to do this. One of the things I like to recommend when you are decluttering a storage space or any area in your home is take everything out. Take everything out like you are about to move out of your home. And the reason I recommend this is because most of the time when an area in your home is cluttered, it's because it's not really functional, and so there's no home for anything. And so this is a time where you can take everything out, reorganize, make it more functional for your family, and just kind of see everything you've been dumping in one area. And as you can see here, I took everything out and I found a lot of dust. I do live in Arizona, so it's pretty dusty here, and now I can see everything much better. I am going to be reorganizing this closet and make it more functional for my family and I. After you've taken everything out, you can go ahead and sweep, or you can vacuum, you can dust, you can wipe down, you can deep clean the area you are trying to declutter. This really does make a big difference. This is something I also recommend because when you are deep cleaning an area, it really makes it look like you had a professional housekeeper come and clean. I did grow up cleaning homes with my mom, and one of the things that I learned from her was wiping down your baseboards, your walls, door handles, wherever you see little fingerprints, wipe those down. And I promise you, people pay extra money to get this done, and it does make a huge difference. So the next thing I recommend doing is sorting, discarding things you don't use or want, and donating things that you can donate. And here I am sharing some tips on how I organize our gift bags and grocery bags that I do like to reuse. And I keep all the tissue paper in this bin and gift wrapping paper in this IKEA grocery bag container type of thing. On the top shelf, I keep our paper towels that we buy from Costco. We do like to buy bulk, so we store it on this top shelf, along with two bins where we contain, I don't always recommend bins, but these bins are specifically for light bulbs and vacuum pieces that our vacuum came with, and that is it. We don't store anything else in them, and it kind of makes it just look more just better and pretty. As you can see, we also store our ironing board in here, but I will be donating this ironing board because we don't use it. And this is just an overview of what everything looks like. You can see my dog's food there in this bin, and her broom, our mop, and my daughter's vacuum, and my vacuum in there. And that is all. This is the after of what our storage closet looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye.